Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you all for joining me for my Walgreens haul video. I hope everyone is having a great day, and if this is your first time here, I would like to welcome you and I hope you like it here. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video, and leave any comments you have in the comment section. I picked up two 42 count zip wheel, originally priced at $17.99, but they're on clearance for $1.79. And this product is part of the buy one get one half off, and when you buy two you get $5 register reward on allergy, pain and sleep products. Because of the buy one get one half off, the second product will be 89 cents. Both will total $2.69, and I'll get $5 register reward back. Check your Ibotta because it's giving back $1.50 on each. That will be a total of $3 back for buying two. I checked out this deal by itself, paid the $2.68 plus tax, and I did not get back the $5 register reward, but the cashier said that since it has a tag and it says buy two get $5 register reward, they gave me $5 Walgreen cash. And I also submitted my receipt to Ibotta and I got back $1.50 for each. That's a total of $3. And there is also another bonus for redeeming two offers. That's 50 cents. After the rebate and the register reward, these two bottles ended up being free and $5.81 moneymaker. I have a digital booster of spend 30 get $6 Walgreen cash, and I'll use it in my next transaction. And the first deal I'll pick up is the spend 12 get $6 register reward, and Glide Floss Pick is part of this deal. They're on sale for $4 each. I'll pick up three, and the three will total me $12. We have a 5 off 3 digital coupon that will drop it down to 7, and I'll get $6 register reward, making all three just $1 or 33 cents each. The next deal I'll add to this transaction will be on Dove Hair Care. They are part of the buy two get $5 register reward. I'll pick up two. They're on sale for $4 each. The two of them will total $8. We have a $2 digital coupon that will drop it down to 6, and I'll get $5 register reward back, making both just $1 or 50 cents each. The next deal I'll add to this transaction will be on Dial Body Wash. On the deal of buy 3 or more, you get $5 register reward, and they're on sale for 2 for $7. The third one will be $3.50. I made a mistake with this deal. I picked up 2 instead of 3, but I will explain this deal in the right way to do it. Pick up 3, that will total $10.50. We have a $2 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $8.50, and you get $5 register reward back. Then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back. It's a limit of 1. And after the rebate, these 3 bottles will end up costing just $3 or $1 each. This is what my transaction will look like for the spend 30 get $6 Walgreen cash. Remember, this transaction is missing one Dial Body Wash. The total for everything, including the missing item, will be $30.50. After all the 3 coupons I mentioned earlier on come off, it will drop it down to $21.50, and I plan on using some of my register reward to help lower my out-of-pocket. Let's go over my receipt and see how it worked out. All my coupons came off, the 5 off 3, the $2 for the Dove, and also the $2 for the body wash. I used $14 in register reward, paid $4 plus tax out of pocket. But if you're doing this the right way, you have to pay $7.50 out of pocket. And I got back the $5 for the Glide Floss and also $5 for the Dove. But I did not get the $5 for the Dial Body Wash. And I did not get the $6 Walgreen cash for spending 30 because my total wasn't 30 in this transaction. Make sure you check the description section because I have a link for the Google Doc for this transaction. If everything had worked right, this transaction will be free and a 50 cents moneymaker. The next items I picked up is the Walgreen brand freezer bags and the storage bags. They're on sale for $2.79, and when you buy one, you get 2 free. I picked up 6. That means I'm paying for 2 and 4 will be free. And the total is $5.58. I redeemed $5 Walgreen cash, paid 58 cents plus tax out of pocket, and that made each box just 93 cents. I'm going to share some of the deals I didn't do today, but I feel like they are worth mentioning. And the first one will be on Colgate products. They're on the deal of buy two, get $4 register reward back. And some of them are on sale for $5.50 and some on sale for $4.50. Pick up one of the Colgate Total toothpaste on sale for $5.50. And the second item will be the toothbrush on sale for $4.50. These two items will total $10. We have a $3 coupon for the toothbrush and we have a $2 coupon for the toothpaste. That will take off $5. You pay $5 and get $4 register reward back, which will make both items just $1 or 50 cents each. If you like Arm & Hammer product, they're on sale for $1.99 and it also includes the small detergents, so pick whichever one you like. The next item will be on Walgreen brand ibuprofen, the 24 counts. They're on sale for 99 cents and we also have a 30% digital coupon that will even make it cheaper. If you prefer the Walgreen brand acetaminophen, they're also on sale for 99 cents and the 30% off coupon will also work with this item. I also found the Walgreen brand pain relief powder, 50 powder stick packs on clearance for 93 cents and you can also use the 30% off digital coupon. This concludes my video for today. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for your support and all the likes and comments, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.